All right, we do have a storm alert, but it's not for the cold. The cold, let's talk about that first. We do have a weather alert for that. That's a wind chill advisory. Look at these morning lows. These are not the wind chills. These were the actual temperatures, close to 30 below in Fond du Lac and Watoma. There was Green Bay checking in with 23 below, close to 30 below in Oconto, and even right next to Lake Michigan, close to 20 below in Manitowoc, Sturgeon Bay, 21 below, and in Sheboygan. Well, that was a record in Green Bay, that 23 below. The old record was 19 below, set back all the way in 1927. So that was the coldest temperature we have seen since the winter of 2013 and 14, where it was 24 below. So we were actually pretty close to that. So it's been 5 years, the coldest we've seen. It's still cold out there right now. That is well below average. It's 3 degrees. We've got a wind chill of what feels like 9 below, and our temperature is going to keep dipping from here. It's 1 currently in Appleton. Hey, at least we're all above 0 right now, except for Mountain where it is 0. 1 in Clintonville. The wind chill, pretty much everyone feels like we're below 0, like 11 below in Appleton. Now, because of this wind chill and the falling temperatures again tonight with the wind staying up, wind chill advisor for pretty much all of us until noon tomorrow, no surprise. Not quite as cold as last night. Look at the averages. Average high should be 24. That would feel like a heat wave compared to what we've been dealing with. That's just one part of the story. The other part is going to be this clipper system. You think clipper, you think, that brings us a little bit of snow. No, this clipper is actually going to be a strong one moving in, and it could get the lake involved as well. Now, precipitation-wise, maybe a stray flurry as we head through the night. We've seen a little light snow in far southeast Wisconsin. But I'm watching tomorrow night going into Monday. Let's time that out for you on Skycast. Again, overnight, we're going to be fine. It's going to get cold out there. It already is cold. Wind chills dipping to between 15 below and 30 below into tomorrow morning. Now, tomorrow during the day, it's going to be cold, but it's going to be fine. Now, watch as we go into Sunday evening. Here's 6 o'clock, not much going on yet, but by the time we go into the mid-evening, look at that snow developing for all of us pretty much, but way, way up north, you're going to see a little bit less out of this. And another thing is, we're going to start bringing the winds off of Lake Michigan. Remember, a lot of Lake Michigan is open right now, so it's cold air over the warmer waters of Lake Michigan. You've got that lift from the clipper system, and that means we could have some lake-enhanced totals in parts of the area. Here's what I'm talking about with the wind gusts. Notice them picking up tomorrow night late, 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts. Notice on Monday, as that snow is falling, some of those wind gusts out of the northeast, 36 miles per hour, Oconto, Green Bay, 35. So it's going to take that snow, which will be a little bit lighter and fluffier, and it's going to blow and drift it around. And notice it's coming out of the north and east, and that could have those lake-enhanced totals. Look at that on Monday afternoon, some 40 mile per hour gusts by the lake. So the lake could play an influence on this, and that's why you've got a lot of us between 7 to up to 11 inches. That's plenty of snow. A little bit less as you head well off to the north, but if the lake gets involved here in parts of Manitowoc, Sheboygan, Fond du Lac, Calumet, maybe over a foot in spots. We'll have to see how the lake plays into this, and this could change a little bit as we get closer, but either way, snow is on the way. Sunday night going through Monday. Most of us winter storm warnings for that time frame for some of that snow and the blowing and drifting snow. Skycast, though, tonight and tomorrow during the day, fine. 10 below tonight, maybe a wind chill, 15 to 20, 30 below as we head through the overnight. Dry tomorrow during the day in 4, but it's going to be tomorrow night. Things going downhill, snow heavy at times, and through the day on Monday, blowing it, drifting around. And then look at our temperatures Tuesday, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, 20 degrees below 0. That's the actual temperature. And then, Matt, you throw wind on top of it. This time, wind chills maybe 40 to 50 below. That's cold. That's dangerous cold. So get ready. Winter full wallop going on right now.
You ever